Hi guys, welcome back to Mystery Epicure. Right, so today, like we say before this video, we're going to try McDonald Prosperity Golden Burger. So we thought it only have one flavor, which is beef, but end up when we go there, we find out it have two flavor, which is chicken and beef. So we bought both of it, chicken and beef. So we're going to try and give out our rate, right? So we are very excited to try. Before this, we never try. When it came out past time, we haven't tried. So this is our first time to try. So we hope you guys enjoy and like it. If you guys like, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. So yeah, let's try. We'll try this one first. So tada! The chicken. So this one is the chicken and this one is the beef. Oh, this one is the double beef, is it? Oh, alright. Okay, let's open. Okay. The packaging also is golden. This look cool.
But inside not golden.
Oh, so we can see it here. It have the golden. Tada, the golden. Tada. Show yours. I need to open all. See? It look really delicious. Okay, without wasting the time, you wanna try it? Let's try it. They have BBQ sauce inside there, which is totally different from the KFC Golden Egg Burger, right? It's totally different.
Hash brown.
Yeah. But it's delicious, right? Is it delicious, the beef? Oh, later we change. The taste is good. The chicken is soft. The bread is soft. The texture is good. It's not that high. Everything just well.
And the onion.
Yeah, and the onion. Just the onion. A bit many for me, because I don't really eat onion. Alright, so we eat until half and now we change. So we change. She take the chicken and I take the beef. Actually, we can buy two for both of us, but we don't want to waste because for sure we couldn't finish it in the short time, right? So it's okay, we just buy two and we share it. Okay, let's continue our eat.
Onion.
The beef also is good. How about the chicken?
It's soft.
It's very soft. Alright guys, so we just finished our burger, Golden Prosperity Golden Burger. So yeah, we're going to give out our comment and also rating for the burger. So we will start with the chicken one. The chicken is very good.
Tender.
It's very soft. The bread, the chicken, the prosperity, the golden is very soft, right? Everything inside there. Just we don't really like one thing only, which is
Onion.
the onion. I think for us is too big, the onion they cut. Maybe they should cut a bit more smaller. Not that small, but just a bit more smaller. Then it can fit into our mouth easily, because it cut like the dice shape, right? It's kind of big actually. Yeah, but overall it's very good with the sauce, BBQ sauce. It's like the GCB burger but different. I'm going to give 9 out of 10 for this one. How about you? So she's going to give 8 out of 10. So for the beef one, it's the same actually, kinda same. Just the flavor we can taste is beef, different than the chicken, but inside there everything just same actually, nothing different. So I do eat both and I do like eat both, so both are going to give 9 out of 10. How about you?
8.
So she going to give both 8 out of 10. But you guys should try out this one since it was limited time event burger. You guys can try it out this one. It's not that crazy like really cool or delicious, but I think it okay, right? It can make us satisfied.
And full.
Yeah. So if you guys have any suggestion or anything, you guys can just comment down below to let us know, so that we can read out what you guys comment one by one. Maybe we will have an idea to do. So that's all for our video today. Hope you guys enjoy our video. See you guys in the next video. Before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and also comment. Alright? Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Boom. See.
Don't cut it away.
Okay.